Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will check again backup process. In my previous video, we restore Azure VM with the replace options. Now we are going to restore Azure VM with the create new feature. So let's quickly go to the VM. Same, first we need to go to the backup center. So backup center, you will get options. You just need to type here backup center. Once you click on backup center, you will get the all instance details here. You need to select the instance which you want to restore. So in my case, this is the app VM which I want to restore. You just need to click on VM first. So once you click on VM, you will get the restore VM options. Once you click on restore VM, then you need to select the restore point. So I'll select once again this restore point. So in my previous video, we were working on replace existing. So now we are going to create a new VM with the sticks or from the backup. To create a new VM, we need to define a resource group, virtual network and subnet. So we need to fill these details according to our requirement. So in my case, I am going to put the name called app VM002. Resource group, if you want to restore this VM in different resource group, you can select that resource group. Now you need to define vnet, vnet and then subnet. So once you same as I said that you need to define your staging location. So in my case, I'll select the storage account as a staging location and then we'll start the restoration process. Once you click on restore, we need to stop this VM first to process the restoration. So I'll go and stop this VM quickly. Here we go. Now we have successfully stopped the VM. So once you click on VM, you can restore VM from this option. You just need to click on restore VM. I mean, you need to select appropriate restore point based on your need. So in my case, I am selecting this restore point. So now we are going to use create new. So here you need to define some parameter. I'll put the name of this VM. So I'll put app VM002. Then you need to define resource group. So I'll selecting this one, new VM, vnet as well as your subnet. Once you select subnet, you need to define your staging location. So same, I am going to select this staging location and then I will click on this restore. It's validating now. So once validation done, it will start the restoration process. I mean, it will start the new VM creation process. So we'll wait here. We'll see once the trigger is done, then it will start creating and then we'll go back to the job as well and then we'll validate the status. Here we go. So triggering restore for this VM successfully done. We can monitor progress into the backup job. Yeah. So data transfer data from vault is completed and another job is going on. Here so we can see that snapshot is already completed. It will start the process. Meanwhile, I'll refresh my Azure virtual machine. Let me refresh. We have created new VM. Yes. Let's try to take the RDP. Yeah, here we go. So now we have successfully restored virtual machine from backup with create new option. If you found this tutorial helpful, please share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.